Shalom, giving all praises unto Yahweh, Basham, Yahushai, Basham Rakakdash, giving double honors unto the apostles and elders of Great Millstone, and Shalom unto the elect. And today's article from Microsoft Start, that's msn.com. Moderna's mRNA bird flu vaccine trial is close to getting US government funding. Sounds familiar, like the COVID vaccine that was sponsored by the US back in the early 2020 back then. And the article reads, Moderna confirmed it is a Moderna confirmed it is in talks with the US government to advance its bird flu vaccine candidate. The US government is close to finalizing a deal to fund the late-stage trial of Moderna's mRNA H5N1 bird flu vaccine, as the virus continues to spread rapidly among poultry and cattle and has already infected 2 humans in the United States and 1 as well in Mexico. And it was said the one in Mexico died of the bird flu infection. The Financial Times reports that the funding, which could total tens of millions of dollars, will come from the Biomedical Advanced Research and Development Authority, BADA. The deal also would include a commitment to purchase doses of the vaccine if the trial is successful. Moderna can confirm we are in discussions with the US government on advancing our pandemic flu candidate mRNA 1018, the pharma company told Quartz in an email statement. The H5 vaccines in this trial cover the same clade as the currently circulating variant in the USA. And man, listen, those it looks again like these guys are taking the world for idiots, because this is the same playbook they use with the C19 virus that was claimed as a pandemic back then, and the same playbook is being used, although I suspect this bird flu might be the real deal though. So it only behooves us that we should be alert and as stated in 2 Corinthians 2:11, be not ignorant of the of the of the devil's devices, roughly paraphrasing. And so I go to this article from Ecclesiasticus 12 verse 10. Never trust thine enemy, for like as iron rusteth, so is his wickedness. Sure, this devil again is up to some tricks to kill as many people as they could on this planet Earth, and you'd be a complete idiot if you fall for this devil's tricks as usual. And the following precept, Lord Yahushai predicted this long ago, over 2,000 years ago, in Matthew 24 verse 7, saying, For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be famines and pestilences and earthquakes in diverse places. Come. And another precept, Luke 21:11, and great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilences, and fearful sights and great signs shall there be from heaven. And to the last precept for comfort, especially for the elect in these last days, Psalms 91 verses 1. to 7. So I read Psalms 91 verse 1. He that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. I'll say of the Lord, Yahweh Basham Yahushai, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God, in Him will I trust. Surely He, Yahweh Basham Yahushai, shall deliver thee from the snare of the fowler and from the noisome pestilence. And this noisome pestilence could refers to, though it refers to the nuclear missiles that will come on the last day upon Babylon the Great, from which the elect shall be delivered. But this could also mean the pestilence such as the bird flu and whatever virus that he has in store for this world. And so the Lord shall deliver thee from the noisome pestilence. And I continue. Psalms 91 verses 4. He shall cover thee with his feathers, and under his wings shalt thou trust. His truth shall be thy shield and buckler. Thou shalt not be afraid for the terror by night, nor for the arrow that flieth by day. Again, referring to the missiles as well. Verse 6. Nor for the pestilence that walketh in darkness, for the destruction that wasteth at noonday. And this could refer to this pestilence could refer to as the bird flu as well, and other kinds of diseases or plagues that haven't been as quoted in the scriptures, plagues that haven't been written in the book, that shall later come upon the world. 1,000 shall fall, that's verse 7. 1,000 shall fall at thy side, and 10,000 at thy right hand, but it shall not come nigh thee. Sure. And so I end this lesson by giving all praises unto Yahweh, Basham, Yahushai, Basham Rakakdash, and Shalom unto the elect. Shalom.